guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ACER A10 and I want to show you how to change audio balance on this device. To change it, tap on Settings application. In it, we look for our accessibility and there we must open our magnification option, where we turn on our magnification shortcut, confirm by OK, and we have it. To zoom our screen, we tap on it and tap on screen to activate it. You can also zoom on or zoom out when you make this feature, and when you are in zoom in, we can go up and down when you use one finger. To change position of your zoom, use two fingers and swipe with it on screen. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.